Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. Very good.
Um, my name is Juliet Urbano Castillo. Today I will be in charge of your interview. Let's continue. What's your name? And can you tell me about yourself?
Good. My name is Lorenzo Benavides Castrillon. I am 30 years old and I live in Mocoa. I study in the University UNAD Economy. In the moment, I am the director of the Cola Cooperative located in Mocoa. I enjoy my job.
Okay. What are your strengths?
I consider myself enterprising person. I like to learning new things are always my forward. I am keen, honest, responsible. I have good communication with my coworkers, which help me to develop my work very well. I have always thought that in life humor and patience is very important because it will allows us to do things in the best way.
Okay, excellent, Lorenzo. What are your weaknesses?
I consider that one of my weaknesses is stress because
Mhm.
this can make me lose control and my work become difficult. However, I try drive deeply, be patient and continue with my work because they are my responsibilities.
Okay. What's your biggest achievement in life?
I am a good man, responsible. I have worked all my life. I entered university and thinking that I'm going to graduate soon made me very happy. In addition to thinking about sharing all my achievements with those I love.
It's interesting. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to see me soon building my own company, building I love with a family.
Wonderful, Lorenzo. Why do you want to leave your job?
My work is soon and I like it. However, I am looking of other direction of work allow me to work more as professional and have diverse salary opportunities
Why do you want to work for it?
because I find opportunity to grow as a professional in a company as large of successful as this.
Okay, you're right about that. What are your salary expectations?
I see to have better income, which allows me to improve my quality of life and that of my family member every day.
Okay, wonderful. Good, Lorenzo. That's all for now. We'll be in touch with you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See you soon.